This challenge is called Packets Primer. It's a medium-level challenge from the forensics category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, download the packet capture file and use packet analysis software to find the flag. And then we have a link over here, download packet capture. So what we need to do first is we need to right-click on this link and select copy link. And then we can go over to our terminal and we can download the link using the wget command. So it's wget and then paste in the name of the file. So this is the link, we paste it in, and then we hit enter to download the file. Okay, so we see now that we've downloaded the network dump.flag.pcap file. If we use the file command on this file, we see that it is a pcap capture file. And that means we're going to need to use Wireshark in order to open this file. So what we can do is we can use the xdg open command, and xdg open is going to take whatever file that you provide to it, and it's going to try to open that file with the appropriate program. And in this case, this being a pcap file, it's going to use Wireshark to open this file. So let's hit enter, and then Wireshark opens up. So this is the Wireshark window over here, and we see that there are a bunch of packets over here, and a lot of network packet files, so pcap files, have either dozens, hundreds, or thousands of different packet captures. Fortunately here, there are only a limited number of packet captures to deal with, so rather a limited number of packets to deal with. We can look at the packets one by one. So we can use the arrow keys to scroll up and down in the menu, and we see that there's a timestamp, a source IP, a destination IP, a protocol that's being used, the length of the packet over here, and some additional info. If we scroll down over at packet number 4 over here, we see some interesting information over at the packet bytes window. So this is the hexadecimal representation of all the data that's in the packet, And we see here that there is this picoCTF flag. So what we can do to extract this picoCTF flag is we can right-click on this information, and we can copy this as a base64 string. So right-click on it, and then select as a base64 string, and then we can go back to our terminal. At the terminal, we can use echo, and between these single quotes, we can paste in the base64 code for that packet info. And then we can use the base64 command to translate that data and decode it from base64. So it's going to be echo, and then between two single quotes, we're going to paste in the base64 data, and then we're going to pipe that into base64-D for decode. So when we run that, we see that the flag is in here, picoCTF, except there's a problem. The problem is there are a bunch of spaces in this picoCTF flag, and we need to delete the spaces in order to submit the flag. So what we can do is we can run the command that we ran previously, only we're going to delete all of the spaces with the tr command. So the tr command can be used for translation of some characters into other characters, but it can also be used to delete characters. So we're going to run tr with the d flag, and then we're going to supply the character we want to delete between these single spaces. So between the single spaces, there is a space, which means whatever output is being passed to it by base64 decode, we're going to delete all the spaces from the output. Okay, so when we run that command, we see that our flag is here and it no longer has spaces. So we can just copy this flag and then go back to the challenge page. And in the challenge page, in the flag submission field, we can paste in the flag and then click on Submit Flag. And then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.